Is your smart TV stuck showing on only colors, no picture, no menu, and the remote is not working at all? Before you think your TV panel is damaged, watch this video till end. This fix can save you time and money. Hi guys, today I am going to show you how to fix the aging mode or burning mode issues on your smart or Android TV. This problem usually appears when the TV shows only color patterns on the screen. None of the remote buttons respond and normal TV functions are completely disabled. There are two main reasons why this happens. First, when someone accidentally changes service menu settings. Second, after replacing or repairing the TV screen or panel, which activates aging or burning mode. So make sure you watch the video completely and don't skip any steps. Also subscribe to the channel for more smart TV repair tips and tutorials. Now let's fix this issue step by step. First, turn off your TV completely from the main power supply. Next, press and hold the physical power button on the TV for about 10 seconds. While still holding the power button, turn the main power back on. Do not release the power button until the TV starts powering up. I am still holding the button. Now I will release it. As you can see, the aging or burning mode is now disabled and the TV display is back to normal. I hope this video helped you fix your smart TV issue. If you have any questions or your TV model is different, drop a comment below and I will try to help you. Thanks for watching.